Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing our Pinnacle Collection. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Our Pinnacle Collection is the ultimate introduction to artisanal tea, including a selection of our rarest red label varieties and a full set of traditional fine porcelain teaware. In the box, you'll find our spring gaiwan, Ming server, and a pair of Ming tasting cups, plus a sample of each of our red label teas representing the pinnacle of tea craftsmanship. The first tea in the box is our finest Dragon Well, the earliest harvest green tea in our collection. Our finest Dragon Well is handpicked in early March for a wonderfully fresh, sweet, and buttery taste. The second tea is Silver Needle Reserve, a pinnacle grade white tea from Fuding County, Fujian. Also harvested from the youngest leaf buds, Silver Needle Reserve is elegant and soft with notes of marzipan, rose water, and fresh cream. The third tea is Da Yulin, Taiwan's highest elevation and most revered oolong. This rare harvest is grown nearly 9,000 feet above sea level for a persistent finish of gardenias, sugarcane, and cream. The next tea is Dark Roast Tieguanying, our most classic Ansi oolong. Dark Roast Tieguanying is produced from the heritage Tieguanying cultivar and roasted in the traditional style for notes of toffee and golden raisin with a floral finish. Persimmon Blossom or Yasai is our next tea and the rarest Phoenix oolong we offer. Persimmon Blossom is harvested from an old grove of tea trees from a highly sought-after cultivar, then expertly roasted over charcoal. The result is an elegant fruity and floral tea with notes of Asian pear, honey, and stone fruit. The next variety in the collection is Heritage Beidou, a revered oolong tea from the Wuyi Mountains. Heritage Beidou is descended from the mother plants that made this region famous and cultivated in Ma Touyan in the heart of the historical Wuyi Zhengyan district. After harvest, the tea is expertly roasted over Longyan fruitwood charcoal for a balanced profile of toffee, dried fruit, and whiskey casks. Our red label black tea is Qingxing Red, an innovative harvest from Alishan in Taiwan, crafted exclusively for red blossom. Qingxing Red is produced from the Qingxing oolong cultivar, then attacked by insects prior to harvest before a rolling oxidation and baking process that combines both oolong and black tea techniques. The result is a captivating sweet and aromatic black tea with notes of stone fruit, citrus, and honey. In the pu-erh category, we offer our Wild Leaf Menghai Sheng Pu-erh 2003. This premium fermented tea was harvested in Yunnan province from wild tea trees, then carefully aged in both Guangzhou and San Francisco for an earthy, herbaceous, and complex brew. The final red label tea in the collection is Dragon Pearl Jasmine Supreme, our finest jasmine tea. Like Silver Needle Reserve, Dragon Pearl Jasmine Supreme is crafted in Fuding County, Fujian from white tea buds, then scented with natural jasmine blossoms for 10 days. The combination of white tea leaves and extended scenting produce one of the softest and most aromatic jasmine teas available. Each of these teas is pre-dosed for the included gaiwan for effortless brewing. To infuse, pre-warm your teaware by pouring hot water into your gaiwan, then decanting from the gaiwan to the server and from the server to the cups. Open a packet of tea and add all the leaves to the warm gaiwan. Cover for a few seconds to warm the leaves, then enjoy the natural aroma that is released. Next, add hot water to your tea leaves and infuse. Brewing recommendations for water temperature and brew time are included on each packet. After the recommended time, create a small gap with the lid of the gaiwan and decant into the server to stop the brew. Finally, serve into the tasting cups and enjoy. All of our loose teas can be infused multiple times and often become more flavorful on the second and third infusions. So repeat these steps and enjoy the evolution of flavor. We have additional videos on our YouTube channel that cover how to use a gaiwan and how to fine-tune your brewing technique if you're curious. Additional matching gaiwans, servers, and cups are available for separate purchase on our website if you want to expand your set. To learn more about the world of artisanal tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.